So hi friends, in today's video, we will discuss about comparison between CMD44 and enhanced CMD44 50 GHz. So basically CMD44 and CMD44 enhanced, both are the product of the Ciena, which is channel mux demux. Means these devices are used to multiplex different wavelength into the single fiber pair. What does 50 GHz is meaning? The 50 GHz means the channel spacing between all the channels in CMD44 and in CMD44 is 50 GHz and it is fixed. So this is fixed 50 GHz channel spacing between the channels which are going to be used in CMD44 and enhanced CMD44. You can see here, this is the block diagram of CMD44 and the right one is the enhanced CMD44. So we will discuss in detail in the next slides. You can see here, this is CMD44 GHz, 50 GHz. This is enhanced CMD44 50 GHz. So first we will discuss about CMD44 and enhanced CMD44, the similarity. So what is the similarity between both two version of the channel mux TMUX? The CMD44 50 GHz and enhanced CMD44 50 GHz modules are passive modules. Both are the passive modules, so they do not require DC power. There is no any DC power or AC power is required to operate these two modules. Both are the passive devices. So this is the blue band. So 44 channel mux demux at 50 GHz grid. So for the blue band, the wavelength, the range is 1530.33 nanometer to 1547.32 nanometer. And there are two, you can say the two version of the blue band CMD44 is available. NTT 862 BAE5. This is for the CMD44 blue band, and NTT 862 BCE5. This is the blue band for enhanced CMD44. This is the red. In the same way, you can say this is for the red and this is for the enhanced red. This is the pack code basically for the red CMD44 and red enhanced CMD44 50 GHz. So what are the wavelength or what are the channel we can use in the red CMD44? This is from 1547.72 nanometer to 1516.09 nanometer. You are starting from this wavelength and just add 50 gigahertz channel spacing between the next wavelength and you will get all the 44 channel for red band and blue band. The channels on the CMD44 50 GHz and enhanced CMD44 50 GHz modules have 100% add drop capability at each end. Means on each end of the device you can drop 100% channels from CMD44 or enhanced CMD44. The combination of WSS and CMD is required to perform the add drop operation. So these are the setup basically. You can say that the WSS and CMD, these two modules are required to drop any particular signals or to add a particular signal to the system, DWDM system. The CMD44 50 GHz or enhanced CMD44 50 GHz module has no VOA. You can say these both module don't have VOA, variable optical attenuator. Optimization is not possible in CMD44 or enhanced CMD44. This is possible in the wavelength selective switch. So if you want to see the channel power of all the 44 channels either in red band or blue band, you need to check it out on WSS. These modules for multiplexing up to, so we have already discussed the CMD44 and enhanced CMD44 are used to optimize, or you can say the to multiplex up to the 44 optical DWDM channel into a single fiber pair. Are used for both ROADM and the WSS based terminals. So in this slide, we will discuss about difference between CMD44 and enhanced CMD44 50 GHz fixed channel spacing. In previous slide, we had discussed the similarity between these two modules, but in this we will discuss about the difference. So this is the block diagram of CMD44 50 GHz, and the right hand side you can see the enhanced CMD44 50 GHz diagram. So can you see the difference between these two? This is the difference. You can see here this is the additional port in enhanced CMD44 for monitoring the common output. So let's see. The enhanced variants of CMD44 50 GHz provide the following additional feature as compared to CMD44 50 GHz. So what are the additional features which enhance CMD44 50 GHz provide as compared to CMD44 50 GHz? We will see this. So a passive 5% tap added on the common output. You can see here, this is common output is 90 and this is port number 92 monitor out. This is 5% tap common output which allows, and what does this port do? This port allows to monitor out signal. So all from the port number 90 there is a common out signal and these signals can be monitored by this 92 port monitor out port. And what are the devices or how we can monitor these signals for these common out signals from the monitor port? So you can see the monitor out signal can be monitored with the help of below arrangement. First, with an external OSA, you can connect an OSA optical spectrum analyzer to this port number and you can see the all channel power and OSNR and all these things of all the channel which are coming out from this 90 port. So you can connect a OSA to port number 92 and see out the monitor out signal. Second one, the two-port OPM circuit pack. You can connect a two-port OPM circuit pack to monitor the optical power. The two-port OPM flex event circuit pack. So these are the arrangement for which you can monitor out signals from the port number 92. Two additional LC connector are added to the faceplate. Means these are the points. You can see these are the point which are the additional features which provide the enhanced CMD44 as compared to CMD44. So this is the additional feature. Means two additional LC connectors added on the faceplate of the enhanced CMD44. But that is not on the CMD44 because these are the we are discussing these points which are additional to enhanced CMD44. So you can see the monitor out port is 92. Port number 91 is unconnected and not labeled, and there is 0.5 dB higher insertion loss as compared to CMD44 50 GHz. So we have seen the comparison. We have seen in this video the comparison between the CMD44 and the enhanced CMD44. We have seen the similarity and difference. So this is all about the comparison between the CMD44 and enhanced CMD44 50 GHz. Thank you.